Ice is food and it can make people sick. In a bar, restaurant, coffee shop, or hotel kitchen, ice is often treated as safe, but ice is food. And if it's handled badly, it can make people sick. The problem is not usually the water. It's the handling in real hospitality environments. Busy bars, restaurant service, coffee stations, hotel kitchens. That's where control breaks down. First, poor handling. In bars and restaurants, hands going into ice bins, glasses used to scoop ice, dirty scoops left inside the bin. This is direct contamination. Second, transport. Ice machines are often back of house in restaurants, bars, or hotel kitchens. So ice is moved to the bar or coffee station. Too often this is done using reused bags or non-food safe containers. That transfers contamination straight into the ice. Third, dirty ice bins. Ice bins at the bar or coffee station are rarely cleaned properly. Build up slime, bacteria. In busy restaurants and bars, this is often missed. Fourth, poor storage. Scoops left in the ice. Scoops touching bar surfaces, coffee counters, or kitchen worktops. No control over how ice is protected. Fifth, staff awareness. In many bars, restaurants, and coffee shops, staff don't see ice as food, so they don't treat it with the same level of care. So what should you do in a bar, restaurant, coffee shop, or kitchen? Treat ice as food, always. Use clean, food-safe containers for transport. Never use hands or glasses to scoop ice. Keep scoops clean and stored properly. Clean and sanitize ice bins regularly at the bar and service areas. Train staff properly, because in hospitality, ice is served directly to the customer. No cooking. No control step after. If it's contaminated, it goes straight into drinks in bars, restaurants, and coffee shops. So remember this. Ice is not just frozen water. It is food, and it must be handled safely.